that means the bank can now pay less to their depositors. So that should then have knock-on effect to eventually lowering the borrowing rate. But it's also going to make you get less money on your deposits, right? So there's the both sides of that. So lower rates favor borrowers, punish savers. Higher rates favor savers and punish borrowers. And it shifts back and forth, right? That's our economic ballet. Goes on all year long, right? Okay, so multifamily, that's it. Hold steady out there. Keep looking at deals. I think you're going to see a lot more come towards the end of the year. Watch your short-term loans. I think we still got some time for these rates to kind of settle in. I don't think they're going to be coming down super low. Make sure your underwriting is good. I would still underwrite just to be safe around 7%, 6.5%, 7%. Hey, if it works at 7, it'll definitely work at 6, right? If it works at 6 and then you get a surprise at 6.5 or 7%, your underwriting won't work out, right? Pay less. Final tip: pay less, pay less, pay less.